Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the bot account with BotFather. This gives you the API token you need to act. Once done, copy and securely store the token because it's your key to Telegram's API. Make sure to enable privacy mode only if you want to restrict group messages. Otherwise, disable it for broader control. Also set a clear bot description and commands via BotFather so users understand purpose. This helps later when you wire up handlers and webhooks or polling. Next, choose hosting and a language library to implement handlers that respond to messages and commands. If you use webhooks, provision HTTPS with a valid certificate and register the webhook URL with Telegram. If you prefer long polling, run a persistent process that calls get updates. Once running, implement handlers for /start, commands, and message types. Test locally with sample inputs. Also add error logging and state management, so the bot remembers context or use. To finish, deploy your bot and run full acceptance tests. Send commands, upload media, and simulate group chats. Once done, monitor logs for exceptions and performance. Scale hosting if latency grows. If something breaks, verify the token hasn't changed, ensure webhook URL returns 200 and certificate is valid, and confirm the correct library version. As a key troubleshooting tip, inspect Telegram's Get Webhook Info or Get Updates responses to see rejected requests and error messages, so you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.